Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Coco Xchella.
And I'm Ryan Rose.
And if you guys are new here, then please make sure that you subscribe and hit our notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back, my lovely. So basically today we are finally doing the bottle flipping challenge. We have our bottle, we have our table, we have our food today. We got ourselves a cheeky Nando's. So we've got, is this a rainbow coleslaw, isn't it? Did you just eat it?
I have to have a chip.
Ryan, he's cheating already. In fact, keep it fair. We've got peri chips.
Halloumi.
We've got some halloumi. And we've got lemon and herb. Yes, I'm the one. I'm the reason why we get lemon and herb, because anything hotter than that.
I'm glad you said it because I didn't want to fit really well.
It's me. It's me. I can't look. I like medium. My stomach doesn't. There's a difference. But yeah, let's get into this. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you at this.
We'll see.
I want to eat the majority of this.
Because there's not a lot of food there and it will be done quickly.
If you touch that chicken first, I'm calling you a racist.
Reparations.
Reparations to this day.
To this day.
Alright, do you want to go first? Do you want to flip it first?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Alright then, what? Best 3 out of
Just first
2.
one.
Alright then. Right, you can do 1, 2, then shoot, or 1, 2, 3, shoot.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, shoot. Oh, come on. Oh, but that was too much momentum. Oh, you can't have this. Not 90% of the video going to be this. Oh. Oh no! Get out of the way! I think he's gonna hit that chicken first. No! No, he fell off the edge. No, you better slow down. You are, no, I can't have this. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Right into the fight as well. Oh,
I only got my mouth on it. Well,
oh god, I feel like I'm going to choke on it. How much did you pay?
not enough. That's not chicken around this bottle. No. Come on, my fingers are slippery. I'll tell you what, I'll save the chicken. Come on.
Oh my god. Oh! Oh. Damn it! Oh.
Probably gonna land.
Oh!
What are you eating the chili jam?
Oh. Oh. So you're rubbing it, get out of my face! Get out of my face! Oh.
Well,
that was violent. Oh my god, I'm gonna knock both of us out with this. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Do you eat that little piece of halloumi that I haven't put back in
I did. You know I'm not supposed to eat dairy, Ryan. And that's precisely why I'm fighting to eat it. Oh!
The sounds you're making are making me too frustrated because I know you're enjoying it too much. Ah.
A few moments later.
I'm just clapping my mouth, boy. Oh, God.
You're going to eat this halloumi cheese with your legs.
You ate the nut! Is that it? No, there's still some there.
You didn't even get to eat it.
You'll start eating quicker than this. I thought you were hungry.
I am hungry. I'm getting frustrated.
Oh.
So you're going to eat that mouthful bit of halloumi. Damn you! When did you start getting so good at this? Oh.
Oh.
Before you finish all that. Oh, no way I'm spitting that bit out. No way.
Did you just clean off the bone?
No.
I got the grizzle. I'm stuck in it. Oh.
Not doing so well now, are you?
Shut up! So look at me in my face! Look at me in my face! What's wrong with you? Just eat your food. Or my food. You're clapping too hard. Oh my god. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh, we're back in the game. Ah! Trying to clean off this last piece of chicken, bro.
You more or less clean now.
Oh.
What did Bruce Lee say? Be like water. No.
Ah.
Ah.
Give me the chips back. Oh damn, I'm going to chop on this customer.
No.
No. Oh. Oh, crap.
Yeah, my turn now. None of that chili jam. None of it.
You don't reach for it.
Ugh. Give me that chili jam. Give me that chili
Why am
jam.
I passing it to you?
That chicken gone by. That's all.
Come on. Oh, thank God. Clean that chicken up and put some cheese jam in it. Tap that bone off.
Hey, yo!
So,
No, you're not concentrating.
it's going to give us a level of indigestion that we've never had before.
You're telling me. I hope you're ready to rub that wind out of me. Too high. That's it.
Tiny little chip there. That's it, was done. Oh, yeah.
There's a piece of chicken there. No, I'm gonna leave that behind. Oh my God.
Still got more food.
We should have got more food.
More food. I'm still hungry, bro.
Of course you are, because I ate the majority of it, so I'm gonna say I won. You can't say I didn't eat the majority
Did
of
you
that.
eat the majority or did you just eat faster?
Probably faster.
I'll tell you what, we'll leave it up to you. You tell us who won.
Alright, yeah. Who won? Because I'm telling you it was me.
I'm
It was
telling
me.
you.
I won.
I'm telling you and everybody else that if it wasn't for you.
I need to burp. Yeah, burp me.
Don't worry, I'm not putting my fingers on you.
Excuse me. It's not enough, so keep going. Excuse me, that came on its own. Wow. Well, let us know in the comment section who won. I believe it was me. Ryan's confused and thinks it was him. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and I will see you all
In the next one.
in the next one. Bye.
See you later.
Oh my God, I won. Oh God. Boom.